This smart padlock features several ways to open, including fingerprint, combination, or you can use the app. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. In the package, you'll get instructions, USB recharge cable, and the lock itself. The USB recharging port. It's very easy to operate. Fingerprint. Or you can do the combination. You set the combination yourself. Using the app is easy. Simply push the button. I like easy. Here my shed needs a lock. This will do nicely. Fingerprint or combination. Lots of options. I really like this smart lock.